How to loop YouTube video on laptop and desktop. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to loop YouTube video on laptop and desktop. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for youtube.com. You will be led to the official web page of YouTube. Now go ahead and open the video you want to play in loop. Once you have opened the video, tap on the settings button you see there. You will then see the option for playback speed. Right click on that and you will see the option for loop. Tap on that and with this your video will be played in loop, and this is how you can loop YouTube video on laptop and desktop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.